What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing El Macho from Despicable Me. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two small circles for the eyes. I'm going to start with the one on the left, go all the way around and then up. Let's leave a small gap and draw the same size circle on the right, coming down towards the same height and then back up. And then along the top we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's go to the top of each eye. I'm going to draw the brow, going up and then out with a straight angled line. Curve all the way around towards the bottom and then in. Now I want to move down in the center and draw a large circle for the nose. So we're going to go all the way around towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Let's add in the mustache. From the side of the nose, bend this out and then down on either side. And we'll curve the bottom of the mustache, going up just underneath the nose and then back down. Let's fill the inside of the mustache in black. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. So we're going to line up at the bottom edge of the eye, over towards the left side, curve the cheek, going out, come around, and just pull that in, just aiming towards the tip of the mustache. Let's line this up on the right. So right about here, let this out around the cheek, come down, and then back in. Let's add a bump along the side of the eye. We're going to go up and bend that in. Now we're going to add a rounded point in the center of the head. Starting back on the left, go up at an angle, round this out, come down towards the right. Now let's close off the bottom of the mask. We're going to step over towards the left, curve this down in the middle, across, and then back up. Let's open the mask around the mouth, start from the corner of the mustache, come down, and then back up. Let's add that star going around the mask. Start from the very top in the center, angle this down and then out just on top of the left eye. Go on top of the right eye. Now I'm just going to follow the angle of the eye going up and then out. Let's move to the side of the head, come down and in, just underneath the eyes. And we'll draw the bottom points. Angle this down and out towards the cheeks. Now I want to pull this in towards the nose to right about there. Curve this back down and in towards the side. Now inside this area, you're going to draw in the mouth and start over on the left. Curve this down and then up. Step down and draw a short curve for the lip. And then we'll separate the teeth with one line coming down the center and one more on either side. Now in the center, we're going to move all the way down, draw a circle for the medallion. And then we'll simplify the chain. On the left side, we're going to bend this out and then up towards the edge of the mask. Let's step out and just trace that. Let's draw that big M in the center of the medallion. On the left and right side, we're going to trace the circle going up and then down, and then we'll draw the top of the M with 2 points going up, down in the center, and 1 point on the right. Let's leave a gap, just follow those lines coming back around, and we'll trace the bottom of that circle. Now let's leave a gap and draw the side of the body. All the way over on the left side, we're going to curve the body coming out, come down, and then in across the hip. Let's line this up on the right. So right here, bend this out, come down, and then in. Let's move to the center, add a small curve, and then we'll leave a gap, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out, and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now we want to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, come down and up on both sides, and we'll curve the top of the foot, going up And bend that down, aiming towards the heel. Now I'm going to go underneath the hips and draw the outside leg, coming down and then in on top of the feet. Let's separate the edge of the pant with a curve. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the foot. So we're just going to follow that curve going across. And we'll add a strap across the top. Bend this in and down, step in and draw that twice. Let's go to the side of the body and draw the inside edge of the arm. So we'll start on the left, bend this out and then down, and we'll line that up on the right side. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now I'm going to add 3 small fingers on either side. So let's start from the bottom of the thumb, come around and up around that bracket, go to the side, add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're just going to blend this into the arm, going up and then in towards the side of the cheek. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to drape the cape across the shoulders. So let's start from the side of the arm. I'm going to bend this up and then down across the side of the body, and then bend that in behind the chain. And I just want to curve that up in towards the center, just underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. So we're just going to line this up, going around the corner of the body, coming down and in, continue along the inside. Now underneath the cape, we're going to draw the edge of the suit, coming down and then out. And then we'll open up the collar on the left side, coming down and in underneath the medallion, going out and back up. Let's add a trim around the collar and step out. Trace that curve coming in, leaving a gap in the center. And we'll draw 2 straight lines coming down the middle. Now I'm going to add a small detail on the side of the body. Let's start from the left hip, then in, go all the way around, and then swirl that back out. Line that up on the right, coming around, up, and then back down. Now we're going to taper this and trace this all the way back around and then out towards the hip. Now let's wrap that cape around the back. So we're going to start from that index finger, come down and out on either side. Now I'm going to connect the end with a wave going in behind the legs. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's El Macho from Despicable Me. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.